everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, to compare the loudspeaker comparison between the Poco F3 GT versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is another most requested question, friends, which loudspeaker is best and which has got really very good output. So that is what I'm going to test using the sound meter bar which I got right now. As you can see, I'll try to test which phone has got the really good bottom speaker and which phone has got the really good top speaker. I'll try to test individually as well. So in this way, we'll be able to get to know which is better. The reason is because the Poco F3 GT has got the outward facing speaker on the top. As you can see, this holes. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to focus or not. As you can see, these are small grills which are present for the speaker. So usually the OnePlus Nord 2 has got the same kind of earpiece which is present in the previous mobile phones. Same like that. There's nothing much change in that. But let's see what will be the sound outputs in both phones. So first, let's explore the settings. What are the settings option we do have in both phones in terms of the increasing or decreasing any kind of presets, values. Let's go to the sound, and here is a sound option. Let me try to select the audio tuner, and here we do have the Dolby Atmos or sound effects. Yes, so in the sound effects we do have the Dolby Atmos, as you can see, friends, clearly. The preset value right now I did select to the music. As you can see here right now, I did select to the music because right now I'm trying to play the music. And a lot of users did ask me to select the movie as well. I'll try to do another video on that particular topic. But this is a normal music test only. So let's see which phone will be having the really better kind of audio output. So this is the exact position of the sound meter bar, exactly in the middle I'm trying to keep, as you can see, friends. So this is the exact position. So let me try to start playing the audio from the first in the Poco F3 GT. I'm trying to increase the volume little by little, so you'll be able to focus on the score. So friends, the highest was about 97. So 97 is the highest decibels. I did see that, and overall it was maintaining around close to 90 kind of decibels as an average, 90, 91 and 85, somewhere around that. Now let's see the OnePlus Nord 2, how much this OnePlus Nord 2 can maintain. So overall, I do feel slightly less average than the Poco F3 GT device. Yes, let's see which phone has got what kind of bottom speaker, and then we'll try to see the top speaker, and then we'll try to confirm what is happening here right now. But at this moment, the Poco F3 GT has got slightly advantage in terms of the volume. Let me try to start playing alternate, so you'll be able to understand how is it. So now I'm trying to play in the Poco F3 GT. So next test is to see which phone has got really good bottom speaker. Let's see. So 106 point something is the highest so far I did detect in this Poco F3 GT. Let's start with the OnePlus Nord 2. The OnePlus Nord 2 went up to 107 as well decibels, but one thing, the OnePlus Nord 2 is having slightly vibrations on the backside near this camera area, which I'll try to focus on separate video, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. But definitely I can see the vibrations coming on the back panel of this phone. That's the one thing which I did notice here. And now let's check the top speaker. So top speaker, which phone has got what kind of volume? Even the top one is crossing 100 decibels, and the top one, the highest was 104, 103 decibels. That's really good friends, because there is only difference of few decibels only, bottom and the top speaker. So you will get really good experience from this Poco F3 GT. That's the one thing definitely I can confirm. So usually we will try to see there's a difference should be of close to maybe 10 decibels or 8 decibel difference will be there. But in this case, there's only close to difference of 2 to 3 decibels only. That's really good to see. And let's see in the OnePlus Nord 2 how it is in the top speaker. Even OnePlus Nord 2 has got really good speakers on the top side, but not as great as this Poco F3 GT. That is what I did see. Now I'm trying to close the bottom speaker, and I'll try to only test the top one, how much it can actually detect in terms of the volume. That is what I'm going to see. Blocking bottom speaker. One thing is that if you try to block the bottom speaker, I think 90% of the volume will be blocked. But if you try to block the top speaker in this kind of grills, so the volume will not be blocked. I think only 40% volume will be blocked, 40 or 50%. From somewhere the volume is coming outside. Yes, that is what I did observe right now. I'm not sure, friends, if not the audio is not coming from here, from somewhere the audio is coming, maybe from this trigger. So I'm not sure the audio is getting leaked from apart from this one. That's the one thing which I did notice. But from the bottom side there's no issue. Bottom side is completely sealed with the audio. If you have the Poco F3 GT, try to test in your device, try to close the bottom speaker. The audio will be blocked completely, but try to close even the top one. The audio will not be blocked. You can actually hear a little bit kind of volume as well. And maybe the earpiece, or there's no earpiece. I'm not sure from where the audio is coming, but something which I thought of just mentioning for you. Let's see in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, friends, how much audio is got blocked in this OnePlus Nord 2. If I try to block this earpiece exactly, but it's not happening in the Poco F3 GT. If I try to block, the audio is not getting blocked. Maybe the audio is getting leaked, or maybe the audio is coming from some other ports. So that's a quick comparison, friends, in-depth comparison. And the backside panel vibrations are completely there in this OnePlus Nord 2. In this section, I'll try to do in-depth review on this one regarding the back panel. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested about this back panel vibration. In the Poco F3 GT, I did not see much kind of vibrations when compared to this OnePlus 80 device. So OnePlus Nord 2 device, sorry. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until it's later for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.